Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll speak about a challenge that Celera Motion faced in Satcom on the move. This is a phrase used in the context of mobile satellite technology, usually relating to ground vehicles, maritime and airborne platforms. In this video, we'll talk about the challenge, the solution provided and the customer benefits. In common satellite communications, radio signals are typically transmitted by a ground antenna pointed at space and are relayed by satellites orbiting high above our atmosphere and received in locations across the globe back on Earth. A rise in applications taking advantage of the low cost and high signal bandwidth availability of low orbit or LEO satellite constellations are shaping the demands of antenna pointing systems. The higher bandwidth comes from being closer, and users are starting to expect high data transfer speeds. The need for a constellation, which simply means a large number of satellites, is because being closer, they are visible for a shorter period. Satcom at-sea devices, automated positioning systems or APSs, which also stand for antenna pointing systems, are compact and lightweight pointing systems mounted into VSARs or velocity synthetic aperture radars with very small aperture terminals aboard maritime vessels. When placed in wet environments, such systems are susceptible to motion-induced antenna pointing errors and require stabilized control of the servo-driven azimuth and the elevation axes. The solution with Celera Motion was called an Ultra Encoder series, which are high accuracy, inductive, rotary position encoders for tough conditions. Each unit is pre-calibrated, enabling sensor accuracies which are down to less than 19 arcseconds, with resolutions up to 22 bits at modest installation tolerances. Using similar rugged and reliable electromagnetic induction sensing principles as resolvers by replacing bulky coil windings with PCB conductive traces, it enables a low-profile sensor design with a large through-hole to be mounted in situ to provide the requirements of a tough application environment. Now let's talk about the customer benefit of this product. The Ultra Encoders enable high pointing accuracies and high resolution range in maritime very small aperture terminals or VSAT antennae. The low-profile form factor enables a more compact and lighter antenna system. The large through-hole design gives space for associated cable shafts, bearings, and ancillary components to be installed around the device. Boasting MIL standard vibration and shock performance, the housed and potted PCB sensor is designed optimized for resilience against temperature changes, electromagnetic noise, as well as wet and dusty environments. The Ultra Encoder is perfectly suited for integration into azimuth and elevation actuated axes using modest installation tolerances. Now let's look at the specification of the Ultra Encoder. Dimensions are 75 to 300 millimeters. The resolution is 22 bits and the accuracy is less than 19 arcseconds. The operating temperature for the standard product is minus 45 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius, with the lowest temperature being down to minus 60 degrees Celsius and the highest temperature being positive 105 degrees Celsius. The housing is IP68 and shock and vibration is MIL STD 810G. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this product or have a similar system, please feel free to contact us with the information on the screen or in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.